Hello there everyone, my name is Preetham and today we're gonna do unboxing and first impression video of Space Navigator mouse by 3D Connexion. So let's get started. So here is the box. I have purchased this from Amazon.in and let's unbox this up. Here is the original box inside the package. Let's open this up. And now here is the mouse. It's quite heavy and the quality of the mouse is top notch. And why not? It costs around 14,000 Indian rupees. And now we're gonna plug it in with a laptop, and this is supported with my Logitech Z400S gaming mouse. Now let's open the Creo Parametric, for whom I have purchased this one. In opening a model here, the plus point of this mouse is that we have all the degrees of freedom plus rotation in all direction, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise, front to back and back to front. Now here we go. It is working as expected. Now I can actually zoom in and rotate simultaneously, and it is working as I have expected from this, and the transitions are so clean and without any jittering effect that my normal mouse do. And as we can see here, we have to rotate the knob a little bit, and it is pressure sensitive, which means if I am applying more force, it is rendering the model with greater speed, and if I am applying little force. So this was my first impression on Space Navigator mouse by 3D Connexion, and I feel that mouse is working fine as I have expected. I hope guys this video might be helpful for you if you are planning to purchase a 3D mouse. If yes, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.